2019 Buick Cascada. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, heated rear seats, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, convertible soft top. Experience the difference. Test drive your dream car today.